Hi, I am Nicola and this is the JMobile tutorial. I guide you into this journey to discover the JMobile suite. Let's begin from a creation of a new project, how to start the simulation of pages, and how to create web pages. Let's create a new project from File, New Project, and then from this dialog you can prompt the name of the project, and you can choose the location, so where the project will be. When we click on Next button, there is a list of devices that can be selected. That is the target device where my project will be downloaded. Let's select, for instance, one of EX7110M device, and let's click on Next. So in this next step, we can select the technology of the graphical pages. The first technology, unified, means that you can have local visualization and web visualization just in one place. The second selection, native and web, means that you can have two places, three views of pages, one dedicated for local visualization and one dedicated to web, where you can specialize resolution and behavior. The third and last selection allow you to create multiple and customized profile. Maybe you want many web visualization or you want more than two categories. Let's stick with the simple one, unified. Anything that we will create on Graphica will be for local and for web visualization. When we click on Finish button, the project will automatically create the standard page, and we will see the JMobile ID, the JMobile Studio. From the right side, there is the project tree, where configuration shows all the items and logical items that can be configured. Today, we will introduce the possibility to create pages into the first section under Unified category, and how to create a simple schema. So let's start from the default page that has been created, and let's go into the widget gallery. To open the widget gallery, just move your mouse into this label on top right. This label is a panel that will appear and disappear based on the presence of the mouse. If we take widgets from the gallery, we drag and drop into the studio, then we have the possibility to start creating the interface. Let's take other objects, for instance, some numeric fields. Let's take some meters. And let's take some other complex widget by searching for solutions. In this case, I'm searching for alarms, and then the widget gallery will show me a list of widgets that are already prepared to get that features. Let's create now a new page, and let's discover how to do it. We can right-click on the normal folder and insert a new page. With this wizard here, we can choose which type of page it is. It is already a normal page, and we can choose which type of layout the page will have. There are standard layouts already prepared to have a responsive design. Let's stick with the simple one. Known layout means a normal page where we can move any widget pixel by pixel. When we create a new page, a new item will be added in this list, and now there is the possibility to start editing it in the same way we did for the first one. Okay, let's create a simulation and let's visualize the effect of our programming. If we want to simulate our environment, our project that we created, there is this button, which is Start Simulation. It is reachable from this play button or by hitting the F12 function key or by hitting Run Start Simulator. The system will ask if you want to save. It's better to save your job. Simulator is now running, and then it will show my application where I can play with my pages and when the environment will emulate exactly what I will see into the HMI as soon as I will download this project to the target. Now that the simulation is running, we can also emulate the web page. To emulate the web page, let's start a browser window and let's point to a specific address, which is localhost, and let's point to port 81. If we hit enter, the system will ask for a username and password, and the default one is admin. If we log in, we will see the same application running into the web page. Thank you for watching. This has completed the first chapter of our video, and let's see the next time.